you ready to unleash your inner artist and add a touch of handmade charm to your surroundings? Dive into the world of do-it-yourself DIY crafts and discover the joy of creating unique, personalized items that reflect your personality and style. Here are some inspiring DIY craft ideas to get you started on your creative journey. Handmade greeting cards. Express your sentiments with personalized greeting cards. Get creative with colorful paper, stickers, stamps, and embellishments. Whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, or special occasions, a handmade card is a personal touch that is sure to be appreciated. Upcycled home decor. Give a new life to old items by upcycling them into stylish home decor. Turn discarded jars into candle holders, transform wooden pallets into rustic photo frames, or repurpose old furniture with a fresh coat of paint. Upcycling not only reduces waste but also adds a unique flair to your living space. De-jewelry. Create one-of-a-kind accessories by making your own jewelry. Experiment with beads, wire, and charms to craft bracelets, necklaces, and earrings that match your style. This personalized jewelry not only complements your outfits but also makes for thoughtful handmade gifts. Customize edge clipping. Give your wardrobe a personal touch by customizing clothing items. Add embellishments, patches, or embroidery to jeans, jackets, or t-shirts. Transform plain garments into unique fashion statements that showcase your individuality. Paper crafts. Explore a versatile world of paper crafts. From origami and quilling to paper match and decoupage, there are endless possibilities. Create paper flowers, wall art, or even personalized journals. The simplicity of paper crafts makes them accessible to crafters of all skill levels. Dipperariums. Bring a bit of nature indoors by crafting your own terrarium. Use glass containers, succulents, and decorative stones to create mini ecosystems that require minimal maintenance. These charming terrariums can be placed on windowsills or used as unique centerpieces. Embarking on DIY crafts is not just about creating beautiful items. It's about the joy of the creative process and the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life. So, gather your materials, clear a workspace, and let your imagination run wild as you dive into the world of DIY crafts. Happy crafting!